It will manifest in 5 minutes. I believe this is one of the greatest manifestation techniques I've shared on my channel so far, and I'm excited to share it with you. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a manifestation technique that is not only effective but also easy to do. If so, keep watching because I have a powerful exercise to share with you. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you want by aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires. However, many people feel like manifestation takes a lot of time and effort. But what if I told you that you can use a manifestation technique that only takes 5 minutes of your day? I guess it takes less than 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. This technique is called the 3-into-3 manifestation technique. Before we dive into the process of the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, let's talk about why this technique is one of the best manifestation techniques out there and how it works. Firstly, this technique is extremely effective because it's designed to align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. Our subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of our thoughts and actions, so it's crucial to program it with positive beliefs and affirmations. The 3-into-3 manifestation technique does just that in just 3 minutes a day. The reticular activating system, RAS, is a part of the brain that acts as a filter, sorting through the vast amount of information that our brains receive and selecting what is relevant to our goals and desires. In other words, the RAS helps to focus our attention on the things that matter most to us. When we use the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, we are essentially programming our RAS to focus on the things we want to manifest. We are telling our brains that these things are important to us and that we want to pay attention to them. As a result, our brains start to look for opportunities to bring these desires into our lives. This is because our brains are wired to seek out evidence that supports our beliefs and desires. When we focus on the things we want to manifest, our brains begin to notice more opportunities and possibilities that align with our desires. In other words, when we use the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, we are essentially priming our brains to look for evidence that supports our desires, which can help to bring those desires into our reality. Now, why should you use this technique? The answer is simple. If you want to create a life of abundance and happiness, you need to start by changing your thoughts and beliefs. By using the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, you'll be able to do just that in just 3 minutes a day. But here's the thing. Everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. That's why I'll teach you how to customize this technique according to your preferences so that it works best for you. For example, some people may find it easier to focus on the physical manifestation of their desires rather than the emotions associated with them. If that's the case for you, feel free to modify the technique to suit your preferences. Ultimately, the key to success with this technique is to be consistent and committed. By practicing this technique every day, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts in your thoughts and emotions that will help you attract the life of your dreams. So, are you ready to learn how to use the 3-into-3 manifestation technique? Let's dive into the process. Now, let's dive into the process. The first step is to identify 3 things that you want to manifest. These can be anything, big or small, as long as they are things that you truly desire. Write them down on a piece of paper or type them on your phone. Don't just write them down, say them out loud with conviction. When you speak your desires out loud, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're serious about manifesting them. So, take a deep breath and say your desires out loud as if they have already come true. Now let's take a closer look at how to choose what you want to manifest. It's important to choose things that resonate with you deeply and that you truly desire. This is because when you're trying to manifest something, you need to be in a state of alignment with that thing. In other words, you need to feel good about it and believe that you can actually have it. So, take some time to think about what you really want. This can be anything from a new car to a fulfilling relationship, to better health. Once you've identified your desires, write them down in a clear and specific way. For example, instead of writing, "I want a new car," try writing, "I want a brand new red convertible Mustang with leather seats and a sunroof." The more specific you can be, the better. This helps to create a clear picture in your mind of what you want, which is essential for the next step. Next, you'll spend 1 minute and 30 seconds focusing on each of the 3 things. You don't have to spend the entire time visualizing. Instead, focus on how achieving your desires would make you feel. Would you feel happy, excited, fulfilled? Whatever the feeling may be, amplify it in your mind and let yourself experience it fully. For example, let's say one of the things you want to manifest is a new job. During the visualization exercise, you might imagine yourself sitting at your new desk, feeling excited and fulfilled by your work, and hearing your colleagues congratulate you on your success. During this process, it's important to allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with having your desires manifest. The more you can feel the emotions, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Now, let's move on to the final step of the 3x3 manifestation technique. After spending 1 minute and 30 seconds focusing on each of the 3 desires, take a deep breath and let it go. Trust that the universe has heard your desires and will bring them into fruition at the perfect time. Don't just stop there. Throughout your day, try to keep your desires at the forefront of your mind. When you think about your desires, feel the emotions associated with them as if they have already come true. This will help to keep you in a positive state of mind and attract more of what you want into your life. To give you an example, let's say one of your desires is to improve your health. Throughout your day, you might imagine yourself feeling energized and vibrant, enjoying a nutritious meal or going for a run. The more you can hold this positive state of mind, the more likely you are to attract experiences that align with your desires. So there you have it, the 3x3 manifestation technique. In just 3 minutes a day, you can align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires and start attracting more abundance and happiness into your life. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.